guy goes in there with fucking barefoot. What does he think he's a fucking kid? Fucking going into a store barefoot. Oh, we're gay. We're gay.
That lady was plugging her ears. Look at there. There you go.
Fuck, I have no gas. What am I gonna do?
That's how you should make your car sound. Rev that thing right up when you hit the clutch in.
Yeah, but I can't with this.
Low gas?
I had no gas.
There you go.
Oh, poor rich bitch. Get off the phone, fuck ass. Get off the phone. Fucking ass people. Ah! Yeah! Fucking on the phone, fucking driving. Don't give a fuck. Drive.
There you go. What? Oh my god. This is a Mexican guy.
Oh, fucking gay ass motherfucker.
Look at him.
Ah! Look like you got it right there with me. I'll put your fucking ass in that motherfucking place. Fucking don't work, can't cut the grass. This guy's riding around in a fucking damn fucking lawnmower. Well, I'm doing something. Won't trim the grass. Get off your ass and cut the grass with a regular lawnmower, fucker.
Watch, how much would I bet like 1 million people are on the phone in Sun Prairie right now?
Oh, I wouldn't doubt it. They're all on the phone. Look at everybody driving. They're on their fucking phones. That's why I yell every time I fucking drive. Fucking somebody's on their phone. Get off the phone. I get this dumb bitch every time this bitch, white bitch, comes in to fucking stop and go on the fucking phone.
Hey,
I'm like,
hey, let's go all the way down Bird Street.
no, I don't think we're gonna be. I don't have no gas, Michael.
Yeah, go. Green light, green light, green light. It's a green light. Freaking floor.
Oh
Like,
shit! I don't have my seatbelt on. Get that motherfucker on.
Duh! Okay, there you go. There's the black person. There's not even any water around here. How did you get stuck?
Yesterday, this is all water.
How?
This is all water. I'm not going down there.
Freaking idiot Mexican.
This is all full.
See, she's going 2 miles an hour, but this is the Ranger. We're going 15.
Come on, homo, go. Left or right, fucking shit nuts. Go, go, go. Oh my God, you're a fucking idiot. You're fucking brain dead.
This thing has a lot of torque.
Hey, I'm in second gear. That's nigger mobile. Shit, money from Brad, man.
Wait, for rent?
Yeah.
Wait, he didn't pay you?
No, it's not even the end of the month, Michael. And I don't have any fucking money. Fuck!
Hey, you should bring these in.
Yeah, take them. But I don't want Brad to see them because
You're gonna want them.
Huh?
Oh, you're dumping the donuts all over the floor.
Michael, he needs to get his own. He needs to get his own. All he's got to do is go down to the cop shop.
There's your truck. You like that truck?
I'm taking a shower.
It's a,
Truck.
that truck, your Ranger.
Truck. It's a Ranger.
Your favorite truck?
It's the fucking best truck in the world.
Hey, I was looking at a lowered one for $6,000, 1995. I mean,
Make up your mind. Any movies to watch? Mike, I'm gonna go take a shower and turn the air on.
1995.
1995. Put that. Oh, plug it in front of the door.
1995 Ford Ranger.
Put that right in front of the door.
Wait, am I right? Is that how you say 1995? 1995 Ford Ranger? Or is that like the sale price?
Fuck you, bitch. Fuck your ass, faggot. Fuck you, bitch.
Or 99 cents.
Good, you can make them something to eat. What are we making for dinner? Where's your mom?
Probably at Taco Bell.
I don't fucking think so. She better give me Taco Bell. I'm fucking hungry.
There's food in there.
Food fucking what, Michael?
Junk.
What kind of food? Don't even touch them fucking donuts either.
I am.
Fuck you. You're eating dinner, bitch.
I already did.
Guess what you're gonna do?
Guess what? I already did, because I had hamburgers.
Oh, where's my hamburger?
You didn't ask for any.
I'm gonna make the rotten potatoes and this.
So I get to have 3 donuts.
You're not gonna have shit.
You want to bet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You don't understand English?
Yeah, I do. But guess what? I already ate dinner. So, hey, I'm going to stay up all night today, and I'm going to stay up all day in the morning.
You don't care about your old man, do you?
Yes, I do.
Why'd you help me?
Because you didn't ask for
Why'd
it.
you help me?
Here, look at it. Hey, we're going to make some Netflix. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Why do you have so much crap in there?
I gotta get something to eat.
Here, why don't you make pancakes?
No. My name ain't Michael. I need healthy food.
Ah, that's junk.
Shut up, man. Give me some butter.
Butter.
Come on.
There you go.
Michael, get the fuck out of here, prick.
Okay, I'll go downstairs. Or wait, no, why don't you make that, your sandwiches,
Oh, I need that Kipper snaps, dude.
Oh, no, you can't get that.
Fuck you, man.
Okay, tuna
That's
salad.
for tomorrow.
Oh, my.
You're giving me that
God.
Kipper snaps, too.
You want to bet?
Yeah.
Okay.
$4.50. What about stovetop?
Hey, why don't you make some popcorn?
2 2/3.
Hey, why don't you make some
Shut up, man.
You want some, hey, you want some yams? You want some yams? Yams.
I'm
Yams.
gonna take a shower. I gotta get something to eat.
Hey, why don't you eat these beer nuts? Look at beer nuts. You like beer nuts?
I'll remember that when you're hungry.
I'm not hungry.
I know now. Just wait.
Look at, we'll go through Brad's crap.
Shut up.
No. Okay, I'll look for something in here, don't worry. There's food in Africa, there's food here. Crap load of ice cream in there. Hey, I got a movie for us to watch.